Okay, here's the next daily pattern. It's called Interwyned, Interwyned by Donna Stanchfield. As soon as I saw this, I nearly panicked. This is not going to be easy for me. I'm not good with grids. I'm not good with dot grids. And yeah. So I'm going to do my best. I'm going to tackle it head on. No fear, right? No fear. I can do this. Just want you to know that you're not the only one who looks at a tangle and goes, I can't do this. So it looks like the first thing we do is a square offset dot grid. An offset means that they line up across this way, and then they're offset to the next line, and then they line up again and an offset. That's always a challenge for me, and I will probably pencil in some guidelines for me for that. Step 2 is to do these angled pieces. I can probably, once I've got my grid in, I'll be okay. It's the setting of the grid that I always have some sort of issue with. So I'm going to just start and then come back to the step outs as I go. But I am definitely going to make myself a little pencil grid here so that I have some references to where to put those squares. So it does look like it would be a kind of a cool pattern, but it's, you know, like I always said, that the grids are not my friend. Dot grids are really not my friend. So I'm going to start out with a really light, I don't know if you can even see it. You can see the previous tangle on the back. Pencil grid. And once again, I am in the mood to tangle in color. So, but I do want a thin pen. Not all of my colored pens are thin enough. So I'm going to go with blue, I think. And it's an 01, so that's nice and thin. And then what I'm going to do is not in every section, in every other one, I'm going to put the square. So I want it right here where my little things meet, and I'm going to skip that one. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to skip that one. I'm going to do this one. And this one, like that. And then offset, we'll make one here, and here, and here, here, and then here, here. Something like this. Right? Offset grid. All right, offset grid. I did it. Woohoo! That's step 1. That's the hardest thing for me. All right, so step 2 is putting this, sort of making it a V shape going that way. Well, let's give that a go. I'm going to turn this way. So it's going to go from this corner to that corner, yeah. That corner to that corner, and that corner to that corner. And then going the other way as well. That way to that way, and this way to that way. Okay, and then just follow that going. Thusly. Okay, now what? That was that step. Now what do? We go the other way. Okay. All right, so this one goes to here. That one goes to there. And this one, it would be behind and it comes out there and it goes to there. Okay, let's think about that. That goes to there, that one goes to there. This one to here, this one to here. Okay, so far so good. This one's taking me quite a lot of thought. Okay, so far so good, right? Right. Step 4 is to do that again. So I want to go this way and then that way. So this one is going to go here and over there, like it's behind. And then here and there. Okay, we'll keep doing it that way. So this way to here, and this way to there. Oops, didn't quite connect. Okay, and then this way. So this way to here, and this way to there. Okay, one more, right? This way to here, and this way to there. Okay, and then the other way. So that way and that way. That way and that way. Okay. That one's harder because it doesn't connect to anything because it's behind both that one and that one. I should have done them with bigger squares. That might have helped me a little, but it's okay. Maybe next time. Okay. And then one more time. This one to that one. Huh. This one to that one. This one to that one. This one to that one. And then going this way. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Nothing. Nothing's wrong. It's just weird with one missing over there. I guess I could draw another row. I feel like something's not quite right, but I don't know what. Something isn't quite right. I've done something not quite right, and I don't know what I've done not quite right. No, it's right. Okay, I'm gonna do one more here. Maybe that's my issue. Just looks funny to me. So I'm gonna finish that one off like that. And I think I need to do that here too. Well, that's gonna run off the page. Ugh. Okay, well, I did it. And I think it's fine. And then you can fill in inside the squares with different patterns. Maybe I'll do that and that'll make me happier. Or I might try it again with a more wonky grid, which is more my style anyway. Get rid of my little guidelines. I'm not sure what I want to do with this yet. I guess I can fill. Let me do some filling. Just in the big ones, I think. do it like that. It's not really speaking to me, but sometimes they don't. And it's possible that it's not speaking to me because I already started with a preconceived notion that I didn't like this tangle. So that is entirely possible that I've already come to started with a prejudice. So just going to do a little something to fill some of these bigger ones. Just gonna do some sort of random something to fill these in. I think I'm gonna have to try this one again. I'm going to have to adjust my thinking, get myself out of this mindset that I don't like these grid ones, and try again. Do a little cubing in here. Something quick and easy, I think. Oh, this day is going much faster than I had anticipated. I have things to do. I want to draw some more, but I have things to do, so Interwyned. And I'm going to give it a little bit of shading, and maybe that will help me make more sense out of it. I think I just need to make it bigger. I need to make my squares bigger. The grid itself doesn't have to be bigger, but I think my squares have to be bigger for me to be happier. I think I want these tubes or bars or whatever these are here to actually be fatter. I think that would make me happier. I think I want my initial grid squares closer together, and I want my bars fatter. Well, I'm going to try this one again. I'll have to do a part 2 sometime. Not today. I don't have time today. Yeah, I think that's my issue. I think I just started out with a mindset that I don't like it, so I'm not trying very hard. I will definitely have to revisit this one. Meanwhile, I mean, I don't think I did a bad job following the pattern. I think I followed it all right. I think it looks like it's supposed to look. It's just not. I'm not saying, ooh, I love it. That bugs me a little that I don't love it, but I think I did a good job. I think it looks fine. It's just not resonating with my soul. Oh well. Good enough.